in January, Panorama through CVS Clinics was able to vaccinate over 300 residents, and then we had probably another 100 residents that were able to get vaccinations. So we had over 400 people vaccinated on our campus, but we knew there was a large amount of people that still had not been able to access the vaccine. It was such a limited amount of doses available. So we were so excited to receive news that we were able to have the National Guard come here and vaccinate us. The hard part is that we had 5 days notice to get this to happen, but we did it. We had an incredible team that put together all of the pieces that needed to make sure that we were able to vaccinate the remainder of the residents and staff here on campus. First thing that we needed to do was communicate to residents that this was going to happen in a short period of time, and we were able to get communication out to gain the interest level of the residents on campus. That was followed up with an email where people were able to register themselves for a specific time to receive their vaccine. For those that didn't have access to the computer, we were able to call and schedule appointments on their behalf. So all in all, we were able to vaccinate 571 people on January 27th. We had a clinic set up where residents were able to walk through, get screened by one of our employees to make sure that they were feeling okay. They were then directed by numerous volunteers to go up to the second floor of Pan Hall, which is our main building here on campus, go through the process of checking in, waiting for their vaccine, getting the actual vaccine in their arm, and then proceeding down to our observation area for 15 to 30 minutes for viewing to make sure they were not having a bad reaction to the vaccine. That process just went so effortlessly. Many of the people were in and out within 30 minutes, which is just a wonderful amount of time to think about getting that vaccine into your arm when we see so many cities and states that are having long lines waiting for these COVID vaccines. That really brought our numbers up close to 900 people being vaccinated in the Panorama community. And we have future clinics planned for people to receive their second doses and the residents that shot of hope in the future and ending this pandemic.